Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, depending on, where you are in this world. God bless you. This is Gloria White coming to you with a breaking news. Yellowstone volcano. Guys, it's getting serious. Last night we had tons of harmonic tremors there. Drum beats, which are like little earthquakes, like drum beats. Harmonic tremors, they make like a little screw, a zigzag kind of shape on the seismographs. Lava influx, where when she shows you the graphs, you'll see this yellow and orange. And then you'll see the screams where it stops. The pitch is so high, the machine doesn't record it. It's like a blank space. But in between that, you see these blue stacks. That's lava. So now, I'm going to put a link in the description box down below so you can go and watch Mary Greeley's video. And I want to tell you, this lady has been following Yellowstone for like 10 years, putting out daily reports on Yellowstone volcano. I mean, she eats, sleeps, and breathes reporting on this volcano. So when she is wide-eyed, you better believe it's serious. So, guys, if you happen to be outside and volcanic ash is falling out of the sky, don't mistake it for smoke. You do not want to breathe it. The little tiny particles are very sharp. They can cut your eyes and blind you. You can get them stuck in your throat and your lungs. The ash can actually collect and stop you from breathing. So, you don't want to be out in volcanic ash. I don't care if it's just a slight little mist looking. You want to put on an N95 mask. You want to have extra N95 mask so that you can change it often. You want goggles that completely cover your eyes. Something like what a skier would wear. And the further away you are from the volcano, the less ash there'll be. But you have to realize, depending on which way the wind is blowing, as to which way that the ash will be moved across the United States. Of course, west to east, but it could dip to the south. We don't know, depending on the jet stream. But the prevailing winds. But we also need to recognize that the closer you are to the volcanic eruption will be huge rocks shooting up out of the caldera. And the further away you get from that eruption, the smaller the rocks will be. At what point we have no rocks or tiny rocks or small pieces of pumice, I don't know. I can't tell you that. There's different models that they've made. No one really knows. It just depends on the magnitude of the eruption as to how much ash there's going to be. Really close to the volcano, you're going to see lava. It could run for miles. You can't really, stop it. There's no stopping lava. And there's nothing to stop lava. It's going to go in the path of least resistance, so that would be down ravines, down hills, around mountains, the path of least resistance. but it could run for miles and miles depending on how large, again, the eruption is. But you do not want to breathe that ash. Now, the one other thing I'm going to say before I say goodbye here, not goodbye, but I, end this video, is that ash is very heavy. And if it's on the roof of your house and you see outside and it's piling up, you have to realize it's very heavy and that it could collapse your roof. Now, before you think, oh, I'm going to grab the snow shovel or a shovel and run up there and just, get it off the roof, sounds like a great idea. But you have to realize you have to be protected. And you're going to need to take several N95 masks with you. You're not going to knock that ash off the roof like fresh blown snow. It doesn't work like that. You might want to do a little research on that and get an idea of what you would be up against should you be close enough to accumulate a large amount of ash. So, guys, just don't lose your faith. Just know that whether we're here or we're not here, the Lord is with us or we're with the Lord. One way or the other, we'll be going home. And as always, I love you so much.